Hi everyone. So this is lecture 18 where we are going to learn about HTML table. So HTML table is used for creating a table in HTML, and for creating table we are using different tags like tr, th and td. These are the tags are used to create a table, and I will explain you briefly. Here I am going to take a table tag. So the table tag have opening as well as closing tag. This tag is used to define a table. It acts as a container for all the other table elements. So inside that, I am going to take thead. I will explain you what is this thead. Thead tags represent the header of the table. And inside thead, I am going to take tr as well. So tr is table row. It also have opening and closing, and it defines a table row within the header. What is the row we are going to take? It will define inside it. This tag is used to define a row in the table, or we can say it is a container for table data cell or header cell, that is th. So inside thead, we are going to take tr, and here inside tr, I am going to take th star. This is our table row, and inside table row, I am going to take ts star. And inside th, I am going to, th is our table head, and table head is used for define a header cell in a table, like it is typically placed within a tr and used to label column or row. Text in th is bold and centered by default. Let me show you. Inside th, I am going to add header 1. Then again copy this th space 2 times and change it as header 2, and this one is header 3. Let me save this file. So in our UI, so you can see it comes in a bolder format, as I already told you, like th is bold and centered by default. So here we have header 1, header 2, and header 3. So inside header 1, header 2, header 3, we are going to create some rows. So for that, what we can do, we are going to create our table body. So after table head, we have to create a table body, and table body is created by tbody tag. Inside tbody, we have opening as well as closing. And inside tbody, again, I am going to take tr tag. Tr is table row that I already explained you. And inside tr, I am going to take a td. td is our table data. And inside table data, I'm going to take my row 1. Mm, row 1, comma, cell 1. Copy the same. This is all our row 1, but the cell is changed as cell 2 and then cell 3. Let me save this file. And after saving this file, we can see on our web page, it's showing row 1, cell 1, then row 1, cell 2, then we have row 1, cell 3. Now, what I'm going to do is that again, I'm going to take another TR for creating second row. So the second row come below the first row. So in the same way, let me copy this one only, this full TR, that is table row, and paste it below. And change this row 1 as a row 2. Same here, row 1 as a row 2, and here also row 1 as a row 2. Let me save this file. And after saving this file, we can see on our web page, it's coming in the second line. We can create row 3 as well. Let me copy this tr again and paste it below. And change row 2 as row 3. Same here also, and here too. Let me save this file. Now row 3 come below row 2. So in this way, we can create a table. So this create a basic table with 3 columns and 3 rows. Adjust the content and structure as needed for your specific use cases. You can do by your own. Now what I'm going to do is that for making this table more attractive, I'm going to add attribute here. So what attribute I'm going to use is border one. I will explain you what this border one will do for us. Let me take this attribute inside table tag. I'm going to take border and I'm going to take one. Let me save this file and see how's our web page is looking. Now it's looking very nice and you can see the difference how we are creating row 1, cell 1 and it's come in a table format. So you are confused like border 1 make a table so beautiful and so attractive. So in HTML, the border equal to 1 attribute in the table tag is used to set a border around the table and its cell. Setting it to 1 indicate the border should have a width of 1 pixel. If you omit this attribute or set it to 0, then let's see what happened. If we are setting it to 0, then the table will not have a visible border. So in this way, if you want to make your border visible, you can add a border of 1 pixel, 2 pixel. In 2 or 3 pixel, the border should be, much more highlighted. But we are not going to use 3, we are going to use 1. So now it's looking fine. So in this way, you can use this attribute for making your table more attractive and looking good. So this is the video lecture about how we can create a table using header cell, body cell, and tr tag. So in this way, we can create a table. Now I'm going to end this video lecture here only. We will meet in the next upcoming video lecture.